Hey, nice to see you again on the CrocFIX channel. Welcome to the new video tutorial. So what is going on here? We have a brand new Samsung Galaxy A17 5G, and the problem is we can't enter the phone because we forgot the PIN code. So if you also forgot your PIN code, your password, your pattern to draw, your whatever to get into the phone, if your screen is locked, then watch this video. I will try to explain as best as possible to help you to make your phone working again. So keep in mind, after this procedure, after the reset, you will need to know your Google account and your password, otherwise you can't activate. After this reset, you will maybe see the screen again to enter your PIN number, but there is an option where you can click Use my Google account instead. Okay? Okay. I really put a lot of effort and time in these videos to show you the best help possible for you guys. So if you don't mind, please hit the like and subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, and if you can, if I did help you, you can make a donation. The donation link is in my video description. So now let's go and make the phone working again. What you will need is the phone itself, and of course you will need also an USB-C cable connected to your computer or to any other device, maybe a laptop, maybe an Xbox, PlayStation, whatever. You can use also USB-C headphones, but you can't use a charger. The charger won't work, alright? Why this? Because it needs some signal here in the USB-C connector, otherwise it won't work. So just connect it to your device, to other phone, any other stuff which you have, and then let's go and start following. We will need to press all three buttons here, so volume up, volume down and the power button together until the phone restarts. And when the phone restarts, you will need to release the volume down button but keep holding volume up and the power button, okay? We will do this after you see the Samsung logo, and then we will release the volume down button. So first step, all three buttons. Press until the phone restarts. Keep them pressing, still keep them pressing, still keep them pressing until you feel the phone vibrating. Okay, now you release the volume down button, but you keep holding volume up and the power button. So keep holding these two buttons, still keep holding them. Alright, so you see now it didn't actually work. So if it don't work for the first time, don't worry, we will try again, because the timing is very important and also the right key combination. So let's go and press again all three buttons together. So all three buttons together pressed, hold them, still hold them, still hold them, still hold them. Okay, now you release the power button and the volume down button, but keep holding volume up button. Let's try this one. So we keep holding the volume up button. As I see, this also don't work, so the timing is important. We will release this after we see the Samsung Galaxy logo, not just the Samsung logo. Alright? Alright. Okay, so let's go again. I'm sorry, my voice is a little bit cracky because I have a cold. And again, let's go. So what do we need to do? Firstly, turn on the screen and then swipe so you see this PIN number entering. And then let's go to see that we will really restart the phone. Press all three buttons pressed, still keep them holding. And when we see, okay, now release the volume down button, and when you see the Samsung logo, release the other two buttons. So immediately when you see the Samsung logo. When you see the Samsung Galaxy logo and you release them, then it's too late. Then you will probably need to repeat. Okay, there we go. We are in the recovery menu. So now we can disconnect the cable here. And now you go through the menu, you go here with the volume buttons, and you need to go down where you see wipe data factory reset. So let's go down to wipe data factory reset and confirm here with the power button. everything on the phone will be erased. There is no other option, unfortunately. So I hope you had a backup. So your photos and contacts are gone if you hadn't had a backup. So wipe data factory reset, confirm, and then again go down. Factory data reset, confirm with the power button. So this will factory reset the phone. Now click on reboot system now and confirm with the power button. So now this will start the erasing process, and the phone will be like brand new, like you bought it today. You just set up it again, and that's it. You will need to know your Google account and your password, of course, if you had them in your phone previously. Let me know in the comments if it did work for you, if you have any questions, if you want to say thank you, much appreciation for your donations that you keep my channel going. So I hope to see you in the next video. I do what I can for you guys. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. If the video did somehow help you, then you can buy me a coffee. Donations are always appreciated. Thank you. You find the donation link in my about page and in the video description. Please also like, comment and share the video. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.